Hi all, welcome to the review of Rode Video Mic Go after about 1 year of usage. So let's jump into this video. As I never shared the unboxing video of this Rode Video Mic Go, I'm going to share it now. So on the box you are going to get this Rode Video Mic Go wind muffler, the 3.5 mm cable and some paperwork. That's what you get in the box. And the first thing about the Rode Video Mic Go is that it got cold shoe mount. That is, the mount is little bit big for my Canon M50 and I need to use the 3x8 inch to odd shoe mount converter. So there is that. So if you are going to get this Rode Video Mic Go, just know that you got a cold shoe mount. Next, moving on to the build quality of this Rode Video Mic Go. The Rycote mount that it comes with is fixed with this Rode Video Mic Go. That is, it is not removable, making it little bit difficult to carry to a lot of places, as it is so much flexible and you are going to feel like it's going to break in a moment or so. On my usage of 1 year, it didn't break and it is holding up well, so build quality is good. As we are in the build quality of this Rode Video Mic Go, I want to share you guys something. That is, the location of the mic for this Rode Video Mic Go is not at the tip, it is at the back side. And I'm going to share you guys that at the tip you can find a small foam. It is covering the holes, and at the end of that hole you can find the mic. So this big size is not at all needed. The mic is at the back hand, it is not at the front end. So that is about the Rode Video Mic Go build. Next, a good thing about this Rode Video Mic Go is the plug and play functionality. That is, you don't need to have any battery inside, you don't need to press any button, it's just like plug and it is good to use. So that's a good thing about this Rode Video Mic Go. Next, about the sound of this Rode Video Mic Go. That's what is made for. The sound recorded via this Rode Video Mic Go is good. It's got a nice bass, nice mid, but the treble is not so good because there is lot of noise at the treble section. That is one of the biggest drawback of this Rode Video Mic Go. That is, the treble or the sound at higher frequency level is getting captured, but it is getting captured with a lot of noise. There is lot of noise. I think the noise at the higher frequency range is due to the limitation of this 16 kHz. That is, this Rode Video Mic Go got a limitation of 100 Hz to 16 kHz. So I'm going to share you guys an example of the noise level by using a multi-band compressor at the higher frequency range. So hear it for yourself. This is a test sound for Rode Video Mic Go. This is a test sound for Rode Video Mic Go. So that's it. That's about the sound of this Rode Video Mic Go. And now I'm going to share you guys the sound it is capturing without the cover and with this and with that wind muffler. This is a test for Rode Video Mic Go. This is a test for Rode Video Mic Go. This is a test for Rode Video Mic Go. So by using the mic without any cover, you are going to get good sound. You are going to get good bass, mid and high, but there is going to be a lot of noise. And by using this black cover, you are going to get good sound. It's not good as without the cover, but it is still good and you are going to get less noise. And by using this wind muffler, you are going to get less noise. It is by using this you are not going to get noise at all, but the sound is not at all good. You are not going to get good eyes by using this wind muffler. So that's it. So that's why I'm using this to record all my videos. So that's it. That's all about the review of this Rode Video Mic Go, and I'm not going to recommend this to you guys because it is not at all that much good when compared to the price. I bought this because I got an offer. It's like $44 for me, so I bought this. That's the reason why I got this Rode VideoMic Go. So if you are buying it right now, it is very high priced than when I bought this Rode VideoMic Go. So I'm not going to recommend this Rode VideoMic Go, but I learned a lot by using this mic, because there is a lot of noise getting captured by this mic and lot of other problems I face, and I learned a lot about audio, the type of mic that I want to use, the frequency range, equalizer, multiband compressor, noise reduction plugin in DaVinci Resolve, and a lot of audio related thing. I learned a lot by using this mic. And the mic that I'm going to recommend to you is the DT's D3. It is priced at the same range as that of this Rode VideoMic Go, and it is so much gooder than this Rode VideoMic Go. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. I hope you find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.